Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you're very much welcome. My name is Ifeoma. Guys, on this channel I do a lot of things. I do protective hairstyle for kids, I do DIYs, I talk on lifestyles, and I make healthy drinks that can help you lose weight and also give you clear skin. Yes guys, so you will definitely see one or two videos that would interest you on this channel, and when you find one, please kindly hit the subscribe button and also the bell button beside it so that we can be families. Okay, so on today's video I'll be showing you guys how I did this protective hairstyle for my daughter. Without wasting much time, let's get started. So first you start by parting the hair into the sizes that you would like. Then after that, I will use my eco gel and hold the edges. Then now I'll be using rubber to hold the hair. Repeat the same process. Section another part of hair. Use your eco gel or any gel you would prefer to hold the edges. Then use rubber and hold the hair. Then after that, the next step is to start inserting the extension. And to do that, use your crochet pin, pass it through the root of the hair. Then insert the extension. Then close the crochet pin and drag the extension outward. Now, once that is done, the next step is to go ahead and divide the natural hair into two. Divide the natural hair into two, like this. Then once that is done, use your left hand to hold one of the extension. Then the extension at the side or at the right hand side, you divide it into two. Also divide the natural hair into two. This will give you 3 strands that you can be able to braid with. Then the natural hair you divided into two, hold it with the extension at the right hand side that you divided into two, like this. Now you can start braiding. You have 3 strands that you can now braid with. So this is it. It's so easy, guys. Once you get to the end of the extension, you fold it and insert your hair accessories. Insert your bead. This is the way I like doing it, but I'll still show you guys how you can do this using a crochet pin. Yes, the easy way you can do it. Measure the length you would like. Measure the length, then use rubber band to secure it. Use rubber band to hold the tip. Then cut off the excess extension. So this is it. This is it, guys. So the next step now is to get extension. Now this is another style. We'll be using a different method for this one. Hold the remaining natural hair. Use the extension and wrap it around. Like this. Wrap it around once. Then divide one of the extension and also divide the natural hair and start braiding. Yes guys, the reason why I wrap it around the hair is because I want it to cover the rubber band. I don't want the rubber band to be seen. That's why I used the extension to wrap around the root of the hair once before I started braiding. As you can see, this second step I'm using now, I did not insert a crochet pin. Yes, it's only for the first step that I did that I inserted a crochet pin. Yes guys, so that's how you do it. Okay, so now I'll show you guys how you can insert your bead using a crochet pin. Get a crochet pin, add the bead into it, then use the crochet pin and hold the extension, then pass it. You see, it's so easy. Then use your rubber band and hold the tip. Cut off the excess extension after doing that. That's it guys. So this is how the hair looks like. Now I'll go ahead and apply hot water. You can skip this process if your child cannot stay quiet, okay? I'm applying the hot water because I want the extension to relax very well. Like I said, you can skip the process. Then after that, I'll go ahead and add the hair accessories. And guys, this is it. This is a very nice protective hairstyle for kids, and this took about 15 minutes to make. Yes guys, so please, if you've watched to this point, kindly give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so. And one more favor, share this video please. We are begging, share this video, okay? I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.